Want a strategy that truly delivers results? Let me break it down into 3 simple and practical steps. Step 1. Identify your real target. Most people jot down goals that sound inspiring but lack precision. Here's what the top 1% do differently. They set a clear target, one measurable outcome with a firm deadline. For example, not grow on YouTube, but upload 2 videos per week for the next 30 days. Not get fit, but lose 3 kilos by November 1st. Clarity creates momentum. Step 2. Recognize your X and Y. This is where most people fall short. They plan only for when things go smoothly. But real achievement comes from foreseeing what could go wrong. So list every possible obstacle. Then use this simple formula. If X happens, I'll respond with Y. You're preparing in advance. For instance, if I crave junk food during my fitness journey, I'll reach for a low-calorie snack instead. Always expect your X and pre-decide your Y. That's how consistency is built. Step 3. Anchor and activate. This step is often overlooked, but it's the one that transforms a plan into a habit. Most people depend on willpower, but the best performers build systems. They integrate their plan into their daily rhythm using 2 powerful tools: anchors and reminders. An anchor is something you already do every day: brushing your teeth, having coffee, opening your laptop. Attach your plan to that cue. For example, right after brushing my teeth, I review my 3-step plan. A reminder keeps you externally accountable. Since memory fades and motivation dips, you need triggers. Use sticky notes, calendar alerts, or even ask a friend to check in. Because in the end, success isn't luck, it's structure. And when you anchor it right, your plan starts running on autopilot.